Hi, if you're a nurse planning to work in Qatar, there's one thing you should absolutely need to pass first, the Qatar Prometric Exam. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to break down exactly what it is, how to apply and how to ace it. Welcome back to MedCare by Academically. This is your one-stop destination for making your healthcare career abroad. So if you don't want to miss out on any details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's go. The Prometric exam is a mandatory licensing exam for all foreign nurses run by the Qatar Council for Healthcare Practitioners, QCHP. Now, to be eligible, you need a nursing degree, an active license from your home country, and at least 2 years of clinical experience. If you've got all that, perfect. Let's move on. Here is the process in 5 simple steps. Step 1 is the DataFlow verification. This is where you submit all your documents, your degree, license, work experience for verification, and it takes 4 to 12 weeks. So start here first. Then step 2, the QCHP application. Once the DataFlow clears you, you apply for licensure through the QCHP portal online. Step 3, get your exam eligibility. QCHP reviews your application, and if everything looks good, they give you the green light to book your exam. Step 4, schedule your exam. Head over to theprometric.com and book your slot at an authorized test center. Step 5, take the exam and get licensed. Pass the exam and you'll receive your official Qatar nursing license. That's it. Now let's also talk about what the actual exam looks like. It's a computer-based, multiple-choice 150 question exam, and you'll have about 3 hours to finish it. The topics covered include fundamentals of nursing, medical, surgical, pediatrics, OB/GYN, pharmacology, critical care, community health, and ethics. One thing to note, the passing score is generally around 65 to 70%, but QCHP does not always publish the exact number, so aim higher to be safe. For preparation, study NCLEX style questions, use Saunders or Lippincott, and brush up on Qatar's healthcare ethics. 1 minute per question is your target pace. Now, start your DataFlow early. That's a pro tip. Stay consistent with studying and you've got this. That's everything that you need to get started. And if you'd like personal guidance, you can also book a free counseling session with our experts. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe to MedCare by Academically and hit that bell icon. Good luck. See you in the next one.